Well, hello everyone, and welcome to this week's Big Shop. Just in case you're new here, my name's Emer, I'm a chef, and every week I take inventory of my kitchen, I write a menu, and then I write my shopping list based on exactly what I need, so I don't overshop or overspend. Just over 3 months ago, I moved home to Ireland after living in Canada for over 10 years, and since then, I've started to share my weekly grocery hauls with you. And in the caption of all my grocery hauls is my weekly menu. So there's a few things that I like to focus on when I'm doing my grocery shopping. That's staying within budget, supporting local, and then eating as best quality, highly nutritious foods as I can possibly find. But I'm also not perfect. So let's get into it. Okay, starting off with Grow HQ. 2 cartons of farm fresh eggs from their farm out in Curramore in Portlaw. Oh, literally 30 grams of dark chocolate because I want to put it in the chili I'm making this week. Oh, that's really good chocolate. Some beautiful Irish mushrooms. So, I should mention, I always forget that people can be new here. Grow HQ is a refill center. So I am reusing all the bags that I got there weeks ago, and everything is organic. So some organic Irish onions, a mix of organic red and green lentils. I got a refill on my washing up liquid. 250 mils of cold pressed rapeseed oil, 12 organic Irish apples, and yes, I do bring my old cereal boxes to fill them up, 1 Irish turnip, a bag of organic Irish apples, and a cereal box full of organic potatoes, 2 balls organic Irish garlic, and last but not least, a piece of organic ginger. They didn't have milk, so I'm going to have to go back tomorrow, which is fine because it's on my way home. Next up, as always, is Ardkeen Stores, which is one of the last independent grocery stores in Ireland. 2 bunches of organic bananas, 15 oranges, by far the best oranges in Waterford. Packet of red grapes, a bag of Irish Brussels sprouts, 2 jalapenos, 2 tubs of organic Irish yogurt, 1 small carton of Irish cream. So I learned something new today. I learned that the Sheridan's cheese counter in Ardkeen Stores isn't part of Ardkeen Stores. That's its own business. So not only are you supporting Ardkeen Stores when you go there to shop, you could also be supporting another Irish local business. So love that. The nicest woman works on that counter. Oh my God, I was literally there chatting for 20 minutes. She's the best. So I wanted to get some cheese and I got this amazing Irish cheddar. I got this incredible white and red Irish cheddar and she gave me a sample. It was unbelievable. So after Grow HQ and Ardkeen Stores, as always, I went to Aldi. A bag of frozen berries, 1 bag of strong flour, 1 tin of coffee, box of cereal. My son has been loving this cereal. Box of off-brand Weetabix because they were half the price of the regular branded Weetabix and the ingredients were exactly the same. This was $2.79 and I want to say the Weetabix were $5.49. Like, I'll take the off-brand, thanks very much. Okay, next, of course, is up to Billy Burks for some fish. So for fish this week, we got 3 pieces of trout from Goat's Bridge in Kilkenny. I don't really talk about the prices of each of the things, but I'm sure you're curious about that as well. So each of these pieces was $3.50 each for Irish fish, lads. And then I popped down the hill there to O'Flynn's to get my meat. Piece of white and black pudding, and lads, it was my first time getting this on the last Big Shop, and it was unbelievable, like so meaty and flavorful. I'm absolutely obsessed. And I love that you can go in and get as much as you want. Like the last time I got like a slightly more than this and I didn't really need to get that much because I'm kind of the only one that eats it. So this is perfect for me. 5 pork chops. I'm also going to marinate them this week, but slightly differently to last week. 1.5 pounds of minced beef. And just in case you didn't know, O'Flynn's rear their own cattle for the shop. So the quality of meat that you're getting in O'Flynn's is insane. And the black and white pudding, Ben has a recipe and then someone else makes it for him. Absolutely spectacular. 12 Irish pork sausages. And then last but not least on this week's Big Shop was a whole free range chicken. Normally when I brine my chicken, I do a wet brine. So just a bit of salt in with water and then let the chicken sit in it for a day or 2. But this week I'm actually going to do a dry brine. So just like cover it in salt and leave it sit in the fridge. So I'm very excited for that. So I'm doing like a chili this week, but I'm going to put lentils in it just to like bulk it up so it makes it cheaper, but also like more nutritious as well. But I went into Aldi to get those organic cherry tomatoes that I showed you the last time and they didn't have any. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of a tour around Waterford to try find them. That is what's missing from this week's shop. And also Grow HQ didn't have any milk. So I'm going to go back to tomorrow to get my milk. So you could add like another $5 onto the total of this because that'll be my big shop for the week. And I obviously haven't done a grocery shop in 2 weeks. That last one I did was the last one. And then I ended up doing top-ups that came to a total of just under €50 over that week that we didn't end up doing a shop. I obviously got butter in the last week because you saw how much butter I ate in January. Okay, so we'll get into it. Total in Grow HQ for all of this lovely stuff here was €40.75. Ardkeen Stores for everything was €31.41. Everything in Aldi came to a total of €13.95. For the fish in Billy Burks was $11.40. And into O'Flynn's for all of my meat for the week was €36.12. So the total for this week's big shop was €133.63. Not bad for the amount of meat I got and all of this organic Irish veg. I would say this week's shop is at least 90% Irish. I think this is the best week I've ever done in terms of buying Irish products. All right, that's it. I'll see you next week. Slán!